Welcome back to the channel for watching these videos. Today we're on a lovely Beneteau, which is part of my dream kind of boat for the Mediterranean. We'll have a look around in a second, but let's just go through the interior first. Come out here. Lovely cockpit area. Nice little galley. New map storage. Double bed in there. The hang lock in here, I expect. Yeah. More storage under here. Heating's on, you can really feel it coming out down there. So this is the day heads. Again, you can really feel that heating coming out from down there. Storage locker, loads of storage around here, and then this has its own heads compartment, ensuite. Lovely and spacious. Nice commanding view. And this is a lovely bit. It's just massive wide decks, handrails everywhere. Don't get your socks dirty. Locker here. But I do think that's a good looking boat. I won't go down that side because you've got all the fenders there, but let's try and go up on that Flybridge and have a look. But loads of sunbathing area here. Your feet are getting wet. Oh, I hate having wet feet. Let's have a quick look up here.
Oh, can I get down? Hey, can we get down? Yeah, no, I put one in the van, I thought.
Let's make sure that's fully cool. So a little Flybridge, sink, more storage under all of these seats. I think that's perfect. Go down, close this up. So engines are under here, but it's locked, so I can't show you. But they're two massive engines. But what other stuff we got in here? More storage. See, just have a poke around. Not sure if these are all locked. No, they're all locked. Fair enough. You got your nice chocks for your tender, your lift for your tender, as well as stern to mooring. Right in there, look. So that is a big boat. That's lovely though. You can just see a little bit of damage on the hull here, and it's going to be repaired over the winter. Been caught on a jetty at the previous location. Superficial. There's something I thought was interesting, was been lifted out, which I saw. If you go back to the previous video, these massive inlets for the water, they are huge, absolutely massive, one each side. But this starts to come out in the water January. It's now end of November, but it was always in a mooring before, which is always in water. But I don't think I've ever seen a prop so full of growth, but also fin stabilisers, not fin stabilisers, the stabilisers at the back here to help level the boat out. I mean, it looks like a kelp farm. That's since January. But anyway, that's an amazing looking boat. I think this is a great boat. This is like the med dream for me, and I think that is a great way to end this video. So with that, I hope you like this very brief tour of this gorgeous Beneteau, and I'll catch you on the next video. Till next time, take care, bye bye.